Welcome to this lesson on solving one-step equations using the multiplication method. Specifically, we will learn how to isolate a variable by dividing both sides of an equation. First, let's understand what we are looking at. When you see a number next to a letter, like 3x, it means 3 times x. The number 3 is called the coefficient, and x is the variable. In algebra, when they are stuck together like this, the operation is always multiplication. To solve these equations, we need to use inverse operations. Inverse operations are just opposites that undo each other. The opposite of multiplication is division, just like division is the opposite of multiplication. There is one golden rule you must always follow in algebra. Think of an equation like a balance scale. Whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you must also do to the other side to keep it balanced. Let's look at our first example. 4x equals 12. Visually, this means we have 4 groups of x on the left side and a total of 12 units on the right side. Since x is being multiplied by 4, we need to undo this by dividing. So, we divide the left side by 4. But remember the golden rule, we must also divide the right side by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1, which leaves us with just x12 divided by 4 is 3. So, our solution is x equals 3. It is always a good idea to check your work. We take our original equation, 4x equals 12, and substitute our answer, 3, in place of x 4 times 3 is 12. Since 12 equals 12, our answer is correct. Let's try one more example. 5y equals 35. To isolate y, we identify the coefficient, which is 5. We divide both sides by 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So, y equals 7. To summarize, first, identify the variable and the number multiplying it. Second, divide both sides of the equation by that number. And finally, check your answer by plugging it back into the original equation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.